In the heart of an ancient village, surrounded by towering bamboo forests and tranquil streams, lived a young archer named Lien. Known for his natural talent, Lien was determined to win the annual archery competition. His best friend, Mei, was always by his side, offering support and honesty. Despite his confidence, Lien struggled with consistency. As the competition drew near, he faced a harsh reality when he missed the target repeatedly during practice. Distracted by his own thoughts and the world around him, he realized he needed help. Mei suggested Lien seek the guidance of Master Zhang, the village's wise and elderly mentor. Known for his unparalleled archery skills, Master Zhang was the key to unlocking Lien's true potential. Master Zhang agreed to teach Lien, but first, he needed to understand the importance of focus. He took Lien to a secluded part of the forest where the only sounds were the whispers of the bamboo leaves. Master Zhang explained, archery is not just about strength and skill, but about the unity of mind, body, and spirit. Distractions are your greatest enemy. Through days of meditation and focused practice, Lien began to understand this profound wisdom. On the day of the competition, Lien stood with newfound confidence. He had learned to silence the noise within and around him. As he took his shot, the world seemed to fade away, leaving only him and the target. Lien's arrow flew straight and true, hitting the bullseye with unwavering precision. The crowd erupted in applause, but Lien knew the true victory was within. He thanked Master Zhang and Mei, knowing he couldn't have done it without them. Lien learned that true mastery of any skill lies in the ability to focus, to be present in the moment, and to silence the distractions. It was a lesson he would carry with him for the rest of his life.